Hello, I'm going to make the Hoisin duck. I have 2 duck breasts and I'm going to be using a fork to make a hole in it. Yes, and then other one too. Okay. Then I use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, and 2 teaspoons of fried spice powder. Then I mix the sauce. Okay, you marinate that, leave it about an hour, then I come back for that. Okay, this is already an hour, so I'm going to put some oil in the wok. Okay, I put some oil in the wok, then I'm going to be pan fry a little bit. I want to pan fry it until you see the little bit golden brown. This one looks pretty nice color. So I brown the skin a little bit more. Okay, this is about done. Then I'm going to put it in the air fryer. I'm going to bake that for 12 minutes. I need to turn it on first and let it get ready first. Okay, now they are ready to put it in. I'm going to remove it. I'm going to put the skin side down first. And I bake that duck about 12 minutes. So I change the temperature, change the timing. Okay, this is 12 minutes. So they will stop about 6 minutes, then I will flip over another side. Okay, this is already 6 minutes, so I'm gonna turn it over another side. So bake it another 6 minutes. So make it start. Okay. Okay, this is all done. Then I'm gonna remove it. Then after that, then I plus the hoisin sauce in it. Okay, then I'm going to cut it the pieces. Okay, I'm going to cut another one too. Okay. Then I garnish with green onion on the top. Okay, that's what I make today, the Hoisin duck.